I eat breakfast every morning. I eat breakfast every morning. I ate breakfast an hour ago. I ate breakfast an hour ago. She studies English. She studies English. She studied English last year. She studied English last year. She drinks coffee every morning. She drinks coffee every morning. She drank coffee yesterday. She drank coffee yesterday. She paints beautiful pictures. She paints beautiful pictures. She painted a portrait last week. She painted a portrait last week. She exercises at the gym. She exercises at the gym. She exercised hard last Friday. She exercised hard last Friday. She cooks dinner every evening. She cooks dinner every evening. She cooked dinner last week. She cooked dinner last week. I write in my journal daily. I write in my journal daily. I wrote in my journal last night. I wrote in my journal last night. I clean my room every week. I clean my room every week. I cleaned my room last Saturday. I cleaned my room last Saturday. She teaches yoga classes. She teaches yoga classes. She taught a class last week. She taught a class last week. They listen to music in the car. They listen to music in the car. They listen to music during the trip. They listen to music during the trip. He learns new languages online. He learns new languages online. He learned Spanish last year. He learned Spanish last year. They play soccer in the park. They play soccer in the park. They played soccer last Saturday. They played soccer last Saturday. I play guitar in a band. I play guitar in a band. I played at a concert last month. I played at a concert last month. We watch movies on weekends. We watch movies on weekends. We watched a movie last night. We watched a movie last night. I read books every night. I read books every night. I read a book yesterday. I read a book yesterday. They enjoy cooking together. They enjoy cooking together. They cooked a meal last night. They cooked a meal last night. We make cookies for holidays. We make cookies for holidays. We made cookies for Christmas. We made cookies for Christmas. We dance at parties. We dance at parties. We danced all night at the wedding. We danced all night at the wedding. I learn something new every day. I learn something new every day. I learned a new skill last month. I learned a new skill last month.